Imagine turning your product idea into reality without writing a single email, hunting down suppliers, or negotiating deals. That's exactly what Alibaba just made possible with its latest AI launch. Introducing Accio, your new AI sourcing agent that handles everything from design to delivery. If you're an entrepreneur, indie maker, or just someone curious about how AI is reshaping the world of product development, this one's for you. Welcome back to the channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your craziest product idea in the comments. Let's dive in. Accio is shockingly simple to use. Just type what you're imagining. Want to build a luxury kitten stroller? Accio immediately generates design concepts tailored to your prompt. You can tweak them, explore variations, and pick the one you love. Once you're happy with the design, Accio gets to work. It searches Alibaba's vast supplier network, negotiates pricing, and handles all communication. No more cold emails. No more back and forth. Just results. Here's the kicker. Someone used Accio to launch a product idea, and within 3 months scaled to over $1 million in revenue. All through this AI agent. Accio isn't just a sourcing tool. It's a 24/7 AI product development team. It lets you test new ideas, explore multiple styles, and instantly connect with factories, all in one place. And this isn't a future beta. Accio is live and ready to use right now. Alibaba isn't just launching tools anymore. They're quietly reshaping how businesses are built. If you want to try Accio, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the next AI breakthrough.